Still writing os.path join 3 times just to build one file path? There's a better way. The core difference is how each module models a path. os.path treats paths as plain strings and exposes functions you call on them. Pathlib takes an object-oriented approach. A path object represents a file system location with its own methods. That shift means path manipulation reads like natural language, not deeply nested function calls. Pathlib's syntax is dramatically cleaner. Use the / operator to join path segments. No function call needed. And because path objects carry behavior you call read_text, write_text, or exists directly on the path itself, removing the need to juggle multiple modules for basic file work. Pathlib handles cross-platform differences transparently. On Windows it produces \paths, on Unix, /. With no configuration from you. When you need explicit platform targeting, Pathlib's pure os.path and pure Windows path classes give you precise control. The main reason to stick with os.path is compatibility. Pathlib arrived in Python 3.4, so any code targeting 3.3 or older requires it. In large legacy codebases, keeping style consistent often outweighs the benefits of modernizing individual functions. Choose Pathlib for any modern Python project, and fall back to os.path only when legacy code or version constraints leave you no choice. Subscribe for more Python interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.